Happy Monday, folks. Well, we're going to do something a little bit different today. I realize I'm not filming enough videos, I'm not making enough content anymore. I've kind of fell off the map with filming because I have gotten behind on what I'm doing here at the shop. It's been very busy. Unfortunately, I'm a one-man show, so a lot of what happens throughout the day-to-day business is me getting behind, and this year's been exceptionally busy, which I'm grateful for. I'm extremely grateful for. So I haven't made a ton of content. I know I've taken apart a few motorcycles and put some of that stuff up. I've got a lot of videos that have been filmed that I need to take time to edit to get them posted. Most of it is content on taking bikes apart. It hasn't been anything too great. I do have a Party at the Pen video coming out pretty soon, and I'll have that up hopefully this week. I know I've got some editing left to do on that. But I figured today what I would do is something a little bit different and see if this is something you guys are interested in seeing. Of course, I'll show you the shop and show you the madness that's going on here, and then we'll go on a parts pick. We'll pick the parts that have sold over the weekend, and I'll show you what kind of sells and what doesn't, and get into packing those things. I probably won't film the packing process. It's kind of a tedious process, and honestly, it's fun, but I'm sure it wouldn't make for good content. I don't know if it would or wouldn't. If it would, and it's something you guys are interested in seeing, let me know. Anyway, we'll show you the madness that's going on here, give you a walkthrough, we'll get some lights turned on, get everything going. I know eventually here I'm going to have to make coffee because I have not had coffee yet today, and I'm a little tired. It's Monday morning, and I'm exhausted. Anyway, let's get the lights on, get everything kind of switched around here, and show you what I'm working with. Obviously, this is the back room. This is where you see most of the content being filmed, and as you can see, there's a ton of stuff back here. I've got these CB750 engines here and a giant metric part slot that I have on my marketplace. That's all for sale. I'm trying to get rid of that stuff all in one bulk load. I've got the 66 on the floor. I've got this frame here that I've got posted on Instagram and on Marketplace. I've got the 48 there. I did get a tail light fixed for this. Should have everything about ready to go for that. Hopefully we'll be back on that project soon. I've got the DS7 in the corner over there. I've got the Yamaha XS650 that I need to get back on the lift. And of course I have the chopper project. Then I have the engine from that twin cam. I have a pile of tires here that I need to either give away or sell. Some of those are good enough to sell. Some of those things I give away to a couple of the local guys who are stunt guys who just burn them off anyway. I also have my lift here that needs to be cleaned, and I picked up another part slot this weekend. I'll film this actually. I'll go through this stuff. There's some really good stuff there. There's a really cool story with it, so I'll film that and you guys will see that eventually. But this is my back room. It is a giant mess and I have a ton of work. I've got more parts on the floor here I need to go ahead and sort. I've got a bunch of stuff over there. Obviously that bench is full, that bench is full, that bench is full, that bench is full. I need to go through these things. I need to take some time and actually go through stuff, but I've been really working hard to get things posted and sold and bikes tore apart and parts coming in and just kind of trying to reciprocate everything here. Anyway, we'll take a walk through the rest of the shop and show you other things going on. I've got more parts here. I've got my flathead chopper roller there that I need to do something with. Obviously, my kitchen area is a giant mess. I did end up getting a plasma cutter this last weekend. So I made a trade deal with a buddy of mine. He bought that new. He's only used it a little bit and it's been in storage since. I tucked it in the corner here. I've got some consumables here. And of course, my mess of a middle room. This is my packing and shipping area. And as you can see, there's a bunch of stuff. I've got some boxes kind of haphazardly thrown in. My work in progress parts that I need to go ahead and get posted. My ship station here. And then, of course, the front room. We have more parts in bins that I need to go through. I've got just tons of stuff kind of laying around. The racks are full right now, so I need to think about what I'm going to do here. If I just eliminate the sitting area, I have this area set up so that way people can hang out, chill, whatever, and it's unfortunately being consumed with parts. So I'm thinking about actually getting another pallet rack, eliminating the chairs and putting pallet racks in here. I'm not sure yet. I do love having a sitting area. It isn't functioning properly now because it's not clean. So I'm not sure what to do with that. Obviously my racks are pretty full. They're not full to capacity. I probably should look at adding another shelf at a certain level and trying to organize this stuff a little nicer. I do need to take a day or a weekend or something, maybe with a couple of friends, to kind of pull everything off the shelves, get everything in bins, and get things organized. But like I said, I've been running at 100 miles an hour every day, just trying to get this place, continue the function that's going on here, continue selling parts and continue paying the bills. And obviously I'm buying a lot right now and I'm selling a lot right now. My throughput's very fast, But because I'm doing everything so quickly, I'm making a giant mess. Got a couple wheels there that I need to do something with. The other set of wheels there, a friend of mine is going to work on, so those are sitting there. And then I've just got things sitting. So this is where we're at. The wall is full. It needs to be organized. It could be better organized, and I would have a lot more space. So I need to go ahead and get that figured out as well. From there, what I need to do is I need to figure out what I've sold for the weekend. So we're pulling my eBay listings here. We're going to see what I've actually sold. We're going to look at the listings and go through my racks here and find the parts that I have. So first off, first thing I've sold, just looks like 4 things. I have sold a kickstand. So this is going to go out the door today. Next, I have sold a pair of calipers. They did sell individually. I will be packing these together. I'm going to combine the shipping and, of course, then refund the difference on the shipping. So I have these 2. So technically, it's only 3 orders, not really 4. These were individual. They're going to the same customer. And then lastly, I have a Sportster primary cover, which I try to keep all my primary covers in the same location, which should be down here. Looks like all my covers are here, and they're just kind of put in there poorly right now. I usually try to have these things stacked in there nicely to where it all looks good. Unfortunately, I've been moving too fast and not cleaning up after myself and running out of here at the end of the day. There's my primary cover that sold. All right, so in the shipping area, I've got a couple things sitting. My tail light for the 48 here, I needed some weld work done. So I had a buddy of mine weld that. The top mount hole was absolutely roached. It was ovaled and busted out one side, so he went ahead and welded it, tapped it. Now it's ready to go. So I'll be able to install this, and you go ahead and put the wiring back into it and then put this back on the bike, and then I should have a tail light. I also got a couple stickers for my door here. I need to get those things put on. I do have some oil line fittings. That's what's in the box here, or the bag here, excuse me. That's for the 66. And I'm not sure if you guys remember, but I picked up that chopper lot a while back, and I bought that. It had a Vertex mag in it. That magneto was absolutely brand new. It had never been put on a bike. The guy bought it new in the 80s or something, or the 90s. I don't remember what he told me. It was quite a bit of information that I honestly forgot by now. But I sold that this weekend, so that's going out. So I'm very grateful for that sale too. If you guys are watching and you've bought my parts on eBay, I'm very thankful. I just want to say thank you to you guys. Another reason why I'm making this video is maybe some of you are watching this and you're seeing what I'm doing and you're watching me pull your parts. I just want to take a second to say thank you for the purchases. I appreciate the sales. It does help my business. Helps me to continue to buy more parts and put more things online. Well, that's it for this one, really. I'm going to go ahead and make some coffee here. I'm going to get these parts packed, and then I'm going to get to cleaning up a little bit around here. I know I need to film that parts lot, so I'll do that in a little while too. So the camera will come back out. You guys will be able to see what I've bought, kind of why I bought it, and get the story behind it, which should be an enjoyable one for you guys, I hope. If you like this type of video, I know it's kind of all over the place. It's a quick one. But if you like seeing the day-to-day business, like what I'm doing, the layout of the shop, the parts that sell or whatnot, let me know. Maybe I'll do a Monday vlog or something like that, where every Monday I'll get the camera out, show you the shop, where I'm at, what's sold for the weekend, and then start my day. I've thought about this a little bit. It's one of those things that I've kind of kicked around in my head for a little while, and I thought, well, I might as well shoot the video, put it out there, get the audience feedback, and see if people enjoy this, because maybe they do. I'm the kind of guy that likes parts. I do. I mean, I could go and buy parts every day if I had the funds to do it. If I had the money to go buy parts every day, I would literally be on the road buying parts every day. I'd be in everybody's garage, everybody's barn, everybody's shed, everybody's whatever doing it, because I love seeing this stuff. I mean, you could show me this caliper every day and I would love it just as much because it's cool to me. It's a part of history that I really enjoy. I know all these things have a story, and it's not just buying the parts, it's meeting the people. I get out there and I get to meet the people, I get to talk to them, I get to talk about their bike that they had, or their bikes, or their shop, or the business things that they ran into or they did, or the good times, the bad times, and the other. And that connection to me is super important. I really love that part of life. So that's the biggest part for me, is getting out there and talking to the people. The parts are awesome. I love being able to buy them and then sell them, get them to you guys, so that way you can use them on your bikes. But I also love being able to talk to the folks and, hear their stories as well too. But anyway, if you liked this video, if this was good for you, if this was fun, let me know. Give it a like. If you would mind, give me some feedback. Drop in the comments below. Let me know what you thought about this. I know I'm kind of rambling. I'm a little bit all over the place. Usually when I go into a video, I already have it planned out in my head. What I'm going to say, how I'm going to attack things, what's going to be, in the video, what's going to get edited out and all that good stuff. Today is not that. Today it was, I picked the camera up as soon as I got in the shop. I started filming, and I'm here now. This is where we're at. I know it's a short one. I know it's an odd one. But if you like this, I can refine this content. I can do this better too. And if you like it, I will do that. So let me know. Let me know in the comments below. If you don't, that's cool. If this was terrible and this was totally just a waste of time and you guys are like, what in the world is this guy doing? Let me know that too. That would be really awesome. I know I'm rambling again, so I need to get off of here. But I want to say thank you to my members who have joined the membership program. I appreciate you guys. I'm very grateful for that. Thank you to all my subscribers who have subscribed to my channel and my subscriptions that continue to grow. Also very thankful. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Help me out. Help me grow this channel. Help me get this thing to something better or something bigger. My goal this year is to hit 10,000 subscribers. I know we're already halfway through the year and I'm only at almost 3,000, but I feel like we can push it to the next level through your help. If you can help me to grow this channel by sharing my content, by talking to your friends about me or what I'm doing or my parts or whatever, that would be really awesome. So if you could help me grow this channel, I'd be extremely, extremely grateful. Anyway, friends, I got to get these things packed and get them to the mailbox before the mailman shows up. So I'm getting off here. We'll catch you soon.